Welcome to the second part of the series where we are learning to store and retrieve secret values in AWS Secrets Manager. In the last video, we looked at storing a secret with Java using AWS Secrets Manager SDK. If you have not watched it, please do it using the link at the top right corner. The same link is also given in the description of this video. In this video, we will learn how to fetch a secret value using its key in Java. Before moving on to the code, let's head over to AWS console. This is a secret that we created in the previous video. Let's look at its value. It is root. We will be fetching this value using this key. Back to our code. This is the same code that was used to create that secret. Now in order to fetch a secret, create a new method, getSecretValue, that will fetch the secret value for a key. We will accept this key as the method argument. Again, to interact with AWS services, we need a Secrets Manager client. Copy this code which is creating a Secrets Manager client. Just to recap, an object of Secrets Manager client is created using its static builder method. We need to specify the region from where we will be fetching the secret. Next, we need to provide credentials in order for AWS to authenticate us. This is done using credentials provider method, which requires an object of type AWS Credentials Provider. AWS Credentials Provider is an interface, and so we need an object of a class that implements it. This method here is creating an object of static credentials provider, which implements AWS Credentials Provider. AWS credentials consist of an access key and a secret key, which we have supplied here for our account. We need to call this method here so that its return value is supplied to credentials provider method. All this is covered in great detail step by step in the last video. Now, to get a value from Secrets Manager, we can call getSecretValue method on Secrets Manager client. If you look here, this method needs a getSecretValue request object, which should contain the name of the key we need to fetch. To create an object of getSecretValue request, use its static builder method followed by secret ID, where we will supply the name of secret key to be fetched. If we look at AWS console, this is the name of the secret. We will be using the same name as the key to our getSecretValue method. Also, the region is US East 1. This is the same region that we have created the secret in. Finally, call build method to create an object of getSecretValue request. Assign this to a variable. Pass this request object to getSecretValue method. GetSecretValue will return an object of type getSecretValue_response. To get the actual secret value, call it secretString method. Let's call this method from main method, passing the key for which we need to fetch the secret. Assign this to a string variable. Print this. Run the program. This is able to fetch the value from Secrets Manager. Remember that the name of the key that we pass should exist in AWS, else you will get a resource not found exception. Let us give an incorrect name for the key. Run the program. We get an error and it is resource not found exception. The error message says that it couldn't find the secret. Also, the key should exist in the same region that we provide while creating the Secrets Manager client. Otherwise, we will get the same error. Since it would also be equivalent to resource not found, let's correct the key and change the region. Run it. We again get an error, and if we look at the error description, it is resource not found exception. So, To recap, in order to fetch a secret from AWS Secrets Manager, set up the AWS Secrets Manager client, configure AWS credentials, create a request to fetch a secret, which is an object of type getSecretValueRequest. In the next and final part of this video, we will see how to optimize the program and run it as a Spring Boot application. Thank you for watching this video till the end.